What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions. Today we got my first generation Traxxas X-MAXX. It's been quite a while since we actually driven this thing, and that's just because the compound on the first generation X-MAXX on the tires was so soft, they had a tendency to blow out the tires. So as soon as we're driving through the mud and stuff, they get a little water in here and it all end up in one spot and end up blowing the tires out, or just going too fast, having the tires blown up too much. It just kind of blows them out. So to solve that, today we picked up some Pro-Line Badlands. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I wanted these tires and rims for quite some time. I was just never willing to spend the extra money on them. But I wanted to go ahead and get this one back out and start driving it again, so we went ahead and picked these up. Go ahead and give you guys a shot of the part numbers there. And if you guys are curious about these tires and want to pick some up for yourself, these tires and rims, I'll go ahead and link those down in the description below. But alright, without further ado, let's go ahead and get to it. I'm really excited to see how these look. I do believe these are actual bead locks. I think if you unbolt these, it would come off and you can slide the tire off. I'm not 100% because I never mess with these. This is the first set I've ever owned. But without further ado, let's go ahead and throw these bad boys on. First thing we'll do is start taking off the old tires. There we go. Man, it's been quite a while since those things have been off. You can see how we got a big gash in those ones. I'm actually surprised there's not a lot of mud in there, but I'm pretty sure I hosed it down pretty good. Those over here. So going off here. There we go. That one was stuck on there. That one's actually a good tire and rim right there. There we go. This one's the worst one right here. Show you guys that one. Some of the... Is there even... Oh, wow. So that foam actually kind of moved all the way back there. Whoa. It's pretty rotten. If you can see that right there, the foam actually moved all the way back in that rim. You can tell we put some tape on the inside, but the water still gets in there and kind of blew out the tire on us. Whoops, get this bad boy off. Man, I can't wait to get this thing back out and drive it. Got a lot of memories with this truck, so it's going to feel good to get the tires and rims on it and get it back out. We're going to do a few things to it. I got to get some bumpers for it, and we'll probably get a new body. I'll save this body though as a basher body, but it's definitely seen better days. It's all broke back here. But it's a fun little basher, so we're definitely going to keep it. We're going to take out one of these tires. Wow. That thing is nice. Already I could tell it's very firm. I really don't think we're going to have a problem blowing these out. That's just a much stiffer compound. You can tell it's got the lock on both sides. Wow, that's a really nice tire. I'm liking that. It's about the same, almost the exact same size as the stock one. It looks like it might be a little skinnier than the stock one there. Put it side by side. Ah, It's pretty much the same, maybe a little bit thinner, just a tad. Give you guys another view there of the tread. But all right, let's go ahead and put these bad boys on. It's my wrench here. There we go. Wow, that's nice. Get this other one out. You know, those ones are going to hold up for a long time. It's just a lot stiffer compound. I'm really a little disappointed I didn't pick these up sooner. This truck sat for way too long over some tires and wheels. There we go, get this other one out here. That nice and tight. Nice. The tread's really deep on these Badlands. That's a really nice tread. There we go. We'll open this next one up. Go ahead and show you guys one more time. Whoops, get out of the shadows there. You can see how deep the tread is on those Badlands. Kind of compared to the factory tire. It's a little shady right here. Put that one back. See if I could give you guys a better view. You see, that's really deep. I'm sure we ain't gonna be looking for traction with those bad boys. Let's get some really deep tread. I can't wait to see what this thing looks like when we get them all on. Nice. I'm gonna have to give me a trash can in here. I got a bad habit of throwing the trash right there. But the last one. There we go. Some of that dirt off there. This truck needs to be cleaned for sure. Wow, that looks really nice. Oh, my stand's a little too low. Don't want to turn there. Give you guys a better shot of that. Wow, that definitely improves the look of this truck. Definitely a good revision to it there. We'll put these to the side, get them out of the way. That definitely improved the looks of this truck. It looks quite aggressive with that tread. Those are very nice. Those are definitely a huge improvement over these. These were nice tires because they're really soft and they kind of absorb a lot of the impact when you're taking pretty big jumps. And they grip pretty good. They're just too soft. They blow out too easy. So I definitely think the harder compound's going to do us a lot of good. But alright you guys, we're going to get this thing charged up and do a little run on it. See how those Pro-Line Badlands do on different terrains. I hope you guys liked the video, and until next time, thank you.